Are you still struggling with push-ups? Trying to increase upper body strength? I get it, I've been there. And today, it's all about beginner push-up circuit. I'm going to show you variations of push-ups to drive up that strength and condition your upper body. Hi, I'm Coach Joe from StayFitAnywhere. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, click on that bell notification, and you'll always know when I upload my videos. One common challenge, concern, obstacle for a lot of my clients that I've trained over the years, it's always been about the push-up. I don't know why push-ups just scare the heck out of everybody, but embrace push-up, it's your friend. I love doing the push-ups. Anyone that knows me knows that push-ups are probably one of my favorite types of exercises. Why? Because you can do them literally anywhere. You can easily tweak it for your own fitness level. And push-ups are really great to help you condition your upper body at a quicker pace. That's because you're going to be using your full body to perform a push-up. Whether it's from the toes or from the knees, elevated or declined. You're still using your whole body to perform this one movement. And with this one movement, you'll be recruiting a lot of different muscles. And when you're using a lot of different muscles, you use a lot more calories. So it's a win-win. Burn some extra calories, gain some extra strength. And if you feel your technique of your push-up is off, you can always check out my top 3 beginner exercises that you need to do, and it includes the push-up. You can check it out right up there. Okay, we're gonna get right into this beginner push-up circuit. And as I mentioned before, it's not solely just for beginners, but for anybody that has been out of the exercise game for a while. And especially if you're over 40, we don't recover as quick. I know it from experience, you probably know it. So this is a great push-up circuit to recondition the upper body, to start building up your fitness foundation for better upper body movement and strength. So here we go. 4 exercises I'm going to show you today in the circuit. We're just going to run through them. I won't be explaining how to do a push-up correctly. As I mentioned before, it's in my top 3 beginner exercises you need to do. And you can find that in the link down below. So the 4 exercises I'm going to show you today are the traditional regular push-up from the toes. We're going to do a diamond push-up, which focuses a bit more on your triceps, a little tougher. An incline push-up, that's an elevated surface push-up. You can do it anywhere, on a couch, bench, step. And a decline push-up. So we're going to cycle through all those push-ups. 4 of them, 12 reps each. You can decide to do less or more if you like. Listen to your body, work on your own fitness level and conditioning. Make it challenging for you. So here we go. The regular push-up. Let's get in a position. Make sure you're not rounding back, head or knee, parts of that body. Nice and flat, and go. And continue breathing, exhale on the way up. Just doing 1 set in this video, but feel free to do an extra one. Any extra movements you do will only help you reach your goal quicker. This next one, into a diamond push-up. So have your hand like a diamond, triangle, whatever you prefer to call it. We're going to start with this position here. And like I said, push-ups are an amazing exercise, something you can do virtually anywhere. Doing this in my own home, but you can use this in the gym, hotel, beach, basically anywhere that's got a floor, you can do a push-up. as long as you know your joints and your body feels up to it. So that was the diamond push-up. This push-up, the incline push-up. I usually recommend this for beginners. It helps make it a little easier because you're elevated, so you don't have a lot of pressure from your own body weight and gravity pushing you down and you needing to lift that all back up. And it's a great way just to change up your push-up routine, if you get bored with doing the traditional push-up or any other variations. So here's the incline push-up. Find yourself an elevated surface, keep your core nice and tight, and your push-ups. This couch is a little bit cushier, so it adds a little extra challenge. You primarily like to have a little bit steadier surface. Good. And it also adds the extra challenge when the couch slides a bit. But find yourself an elevated surface, something a little sturdier, like a stair or a solid bench, or the edge of the couch, maybe not on the cushion of the couch. And this next exercise, the decline push-up. So different than the incline push-up with our hands that were inclined, this time it's going to be our hands are down on the floor and our feet are inclined. So find yourself a bench, couch, whatever you like. So decline push-up, feet up, back nice and flat, and go. There you have it, a bodyweight beginner's push-up circuit. I love push-ups, they're a fantastic exercise. These are 4 variations. You can change up the degree of difficulty with each one of the push-ups. Keys to focus on: make sure your head isn't dropping down, make sure your hips are up and your back is not arched or your butt's not too far up. You can always modify push-ups as they fit your fitness level. So if you have to do them from your knees, do them from your knees. And work your way up to doing them from the toes. Anything you can do to fit a push-up in is going to greatly help you condition your upper body and your core a lot quicker. So this is an upper body routine. If you missed my last 2 lower body routines, which I go through a squat circuit and a lunge circuit, you can click my beginner playlist of beginner workouts and exercises. We're still focused on beginner exercises, and they've mainly been all bodyweight exercises, but I'm going to be introducing you to some equipment that you can use for these beginner workouts. So stay tuned to my next video. And a great idea would be to save this video so you can watch it later and use it whenever you need to change up your own upper body routine. And one quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and we'll see you soon.